What makes a golf ball a golf ball? Episode 5. What's inside? Golf balls a long time ago were called wound golf balls, and they contained the liquid inside a canister surrounded by rubber bands, and then they encased the shell, the outer part of the golf ball that we see today. Two-piece golf balls are usually made of surlyn on the inside and outside. Surlyn is a type of plasticky rubber substance. Some golf balls are dual-core golf balls because the core and the next layer or layers are made of synthetic rubber. Other golf balls are made of thermoplastic or ionomer resin for the cover of the golf ball. The inside of the golf ball is usually made of a material called polybutadiene, which is a rubbery material that will hold the shell will keep the shell on the golf ball during flight, which is very important because the shell holds the dimples of the golf ball, which basically mean everything for the flight of the golf ball. I hope you've enjoyed this video and learned something pretty interesting. This is for a science fair, so wish me the best of luck. This is the 5th out of 5 videos. Check the other ones out. Bye-bye.